We got Carl and Curly, and they're both kind of freaked out with me right now because I shaved my head the other day. Yes, day before yesterday. They haven't seen me since, so they're looking at me like, "What the hell? Who's that?" Especially him. He was just all scared a minute ago. How you doing, buddy? How you doing? Neighbors, not next door, but somewhere around here, are having a party. You can hear them hooting and hollering. Jerks, where's my invite? Pardon me. You're okay, dude. It's cold tonight. It's like 2:44 in the morning. It's cold. Looks like it's raining. They're all wet. You a little wet? Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. Big scaredy cat. Come on, Curly. You got food in the water, but he's all scared. I think it'll take him a little bit of getting used to with my bald head. I didn't shave it with like a razor blade, kind of bald. Look at you go. I just shaved it with a head trimmer. I haven't had a haircut in 18 years or so. I've been cutting my own hair since I was about 14. I've had a couple haircuts in between, but that's about it. I can't stand getting haircuts. I absolutely hate going. And it's not the barber. It's not the jobs that they do. They do a good job. I ain't going, buddy. It's the hair around my neck and everything. It feels gross. Jeez, it's cold tonight. Ugh. Shivering. They probably really are wondering, especially him. Curly is scared. Johnny last night was a little bit freaked out. Sorry if the camera's shaking. I'm freezing. This is gonna be a short video for sure. Some? Come on. You're fine. He's good. I don't think he cares because there's food right there. Anybody? Expected him to bite me there. Curly. You guys smell funny tonight. Smell like a bank. Oh, I heard something. He's never been this scared with me since he started coming around. It really must be the shaved head wondering who the hell I am. Aw, come on, buddy. Give it 2 weeks, it'll all grow back. And then shave it again in another month or so. Carl don't give two shits. It's kind of confusing, all these names with the k sound. Carl, Curly. My girls' names are Kira and Caitlin. The neighbors are Cody and Courtney. Really screwed myself here. Naming them with K's, or well, K sounding names. I guess they both could be spelled with a K, even though Curly would look funny with a K. Okay, I'm gonna shut this off. It's about 5 minutes in. I am freezing. My fingers are numb. It's really cold tonight. Feels like it's like maybe 10 Celsius out or something. I hope everyone's having a good day, evening, sleep, whichever. All of the above. Okay, bye-bye.